Welcome back to YouTube Wars number 2. This is China, turn 5. As you can see, Johnny left me again, deja vu, with one dude. So, but unlike UK, China's in a pretty good position. It may not look like it currently, but actually China's not that bad at all. Not that bad at all. China has 21 IPCs, and I am saving 2. So let's get this. So I'm saving 2, and we're getting 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 5 guys, 19 for the horse. So 21, saving 2. All right, so now what do we got to do? Looks like I only have one attack, which is shabam. Once again, the Chinese air base. So that's it for attacks. Now let's do the placement of units. And we are all going in. That's right. Johor. Now let's look at what happened. Now you can see Johnny took out my flying tigers last turn, but what did US do? US is very kind enough to give me 2 more. And what I mean by that is because of the turn sequence. America goes first. You know that I like to use my fighters to pick off advancing units, pick off counterattack. So those will be doing the exact same thing that my fighter was doing. So except on US's turn. So it's great. I have basically 2 more to fly around and pick off lonely guys. Now, also talking to VK Cowboy, who was playing Russia, he has given China tactical command of the Manchuria and Korean units. So I am pleased to announce that on Russia's turn, I gotta tell you now because I'm pretty excited. On Russia's turn, they're all going into Johor. Okay, that means, what does that mean? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 22 units are going to be in Johor before Japan gets to do their turn. It's great, it's great, it's great. Oh, here on Joe's turn, who's playing America, he accidentally took this off the board when he was doing his cleanup. So there is a transport there in 36, obviously, because that's how that dude got there. Now let's also, they're actually, the Axis doing pretty good. They have 11 out of 12 points right now. Well, they did until America took French Indochina, but they're going to get that right back. But they are currently at 10 points. You can see here, we got some convoys getting ready to happen. Now, I don't have the Anzac set up because they are in the dipping process. You can see some of these units were never dipped for the weathering. So I took Anzacs off the board and they are in that process. But there are 2 fighters here, a destroyer and a cruiser. There is a destroyer and 2 subs here. There are 2 transports here, and there's miscellaneous artillery or AA in there. And there might be a sub floating around here and I don't remember, but that's it for Anzac units. All right, so this is it. China's back, baby. China's back. And what's also great, China's collecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. China collects 18 IPCs, save 2. So that gives China, again, 20 IPCs for the next turn. That is 3 or 4 turns in a row where China's throwing down, 18 to 22 IPCs per turn. I mean, that's a lot. I mean, that's just crazy amount. No wonder why Johnny's having a hard time defeating China over here when I'm throwing down 20 IPCs a turn, and I don't even have the road. So, but that's probably going to change. He's making a good comeback. He's finally got some units starting to come in here, and we'll see what happens. We'll see if he's going to do it again, what he just did, take all his units there and try to blast those 22 units. We will find out on Japan's turn. But just for the time being, Let's put these back just a little bit, but they are ready to go. They're ready to go. All right, guys, take care. We will see you in a minute for United Kingdom. Oh, just real quick, my recap. It's pretty obvious. I have one guy in Quang Si, and then I have, I guess we'll just do the whole thing here. We have 2 American fighters, 3 Russian infantry, 5 China infantry, oops, and 1 horse and Jahol. Okay, that's it, guys. Take care, and we'll see you for UK. Bye-bye.